Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you the very latest prefab home company looking at expansion into North America. Lately I've noticed a trend that has companies from around the world looking at the United States as an option for growth, and potential customers seem to be excited about the possibility of new options. Is the expansion process as easy as hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm? No. It's not, but it's certainly exciting to watch. It's kind of like when you hear a new restaurant is opening where you live. You got to check out the menu, talk about it with friends, and then patiently wait. The company I'm talking about is called Hutjet, good name alert, with their line of prefab homes that are being built now. Hutjet Dynamic House is a prefab home company in the Ukraine looking at expansion into North America. They've got a line of homes ranging in size from about 500 square feet to over 1,500 square feet, and a few of the designs you don't want to miss. Back in October, Hutjet opened a new facility in the Ukraine that's about 130,000 square feet and able to produce 450 homes per year. They describe themselves as a new generation house that you can design yourself and immediately order from your smartphone. It says in 2 to 3 months from the time of order, you'll be all settled in, which is pretty good. Keep in mind, this will fully depend on how many orders they have. If they can build 450 homes per year, but have a backlog of 900, don't expect to get your home in 2 to 3 months. It's math. They got a couple features and ideas going on over at Hutjet that I found very interesting, and I think others will as well. Let's get into it. First of all, it's noted that their construction system allows users to transport their home to another place. Apparently it'll take 48 hours to get ready to move, and then however long it takes to physically move the home, but it can be moved multiple times, and there is no limit to the number of relocations. So if you don't know exactly where you want to live, it's not a deal breaker because you can move the entire home again. If it were me, I wouldn't plan on constantly moving about with something like this because there are sunk costs related to site prep and the actual move itself that I wouldn't want to eat at every single location. If you're wanting to move quite frequently, like once a month or even 3 or 4 times a year, you're probably better in something like an RV, but it is nice to know that it can be moved again if need be. Another feature of the Hutjet line that people ask about quite often in the comments is the ability to add onto the home as needed. So as life changes, changes can be made to the home. It says we've also considered the future by making Hutjet adaptable. When the time comes, you can easily add 1 or 2 more children's bedrooms, an office, a guest room, an additional bathroom, a gym, or a sauna to your finished home. Then it says people will be able to get rid of excess space by selling the modules back to them through a trade-in system. So if the home gym doesn't get as much use as you originally thought, you have the option of turning it into something more fun like a YouTube studio or a perfect place to sleep, or simply getting rid of it. Give it back to them. This is interesting because it would give people access to used homes or sections of homes that had been traded in by previous owners. I feel like there's probably a fairly large market of people who would be perfectly happy with a lived-in home or section of home, and they would already be built. So potentially no wait time. Before I get into a couple of the models they currently have available from Hutjet, another key point that has to be mentioned is they're so confident in what they're building that they've got a lifetime guarantee. I don't know that I've seen this anywhere else. Their website says Hutjet goes beyond a mere modular home. We term this engineering genre dynamic house, and it's noted they're using a lot of automation because automated manufacturing reduces human involvement, enabling them to prioritize quality and offer that lifetime guarantee. They welcome the public to check out their tech in person. Factory visits are available for those interested. Definitely going to add that to my list. Let's check out a few of these homes. The smallest home currently available from Hutjet is known as the Shift. The Shift is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with an offset floor plan that looks really cool. It's 538 square feet or 50 square meters and is described as a fully self-sufficient home. First things first, have a look at the exterior of this thing. It has a curve where the roof meets the sidewall, which definitely gives it a unique look. They've got renderings showing a few different exteriors for the Shift, and out of those, my favorite is this one right here. This exterior has a metal roof, what look to be metal panels, and vertical wood accents on the ends. The other renderings show an extended covered metal porch on the design, which I don't like as much, and an exterior finish with white ends in some kind of cement panel looking siding, which I think looks quite nice. Definitely my second choice after the first option I showed. Inside the home is access through one of 3 entrances. The entrance that would likely be facing the street is on a small patio and lands in the living room. People will be happy to know that yes, there is a coat closet directly to the left of the main entrance, which always without fail gets people going. Love a good coat closet. The main section of the home has the living room, dining room, and then the kitchen is on the end wall. The bedroom is located directly off the living room and it has sliding glass door access out to the terrace. It's a cool design, but my favorite by far that they've currently got listed is their family model. The number one thing I like about the family is the look, but there is a lot more going on here than that. This model is 2 stories with an exterior that I think people are really going to like. The first floor of the home sits across the lot, then the second is perpendicular running front to back, and I think it looks awesome. The unit running front to back has what looks to be a weathered steel cladding, and it's a contrast to the white exterior of the base unit. This is what I like to call a statement. It looks incredible. With the upstairs running perpendicular to the downstairs, another bonus unlocked is the roof of the bottom floor can be used as a deck, and a rooftop deck takes the vibe to a completely new level. This thing has been done up right. Check out the recess entry with black door and glass surrounding the rooftop deck. It's awesome. At the back of the home, you can see they've taken exterior lighting seriously, with 6 lights allowing the owners to enjoy the covered porch after dark no problem. Looks to me like they put a lot of thought into this design. The party continues inside the family with an interior that's on par with everything going on outside. There are a couple spaces in this home that need a bit of extra attention. First, the kitchen. They've got a corner kitchen with modern cabinets that should give people plenty of space for their baking ingredients, and have a look at the colors. They're running 2 different cabinet colors in this puppy, and I think it looks slick. Usually you see different colors used on lowers or the island, but it's less common to see the upper cabinets done in a couple different colors. I like it. A lot of the walls inside the family are finished in wood, and another feature I like in this home is the accent wall behind the bed. Just another small detail that makes it stand out from the competition. Where things really get interesting with the family is the floor plan. The way they have this plan set up, the bottom floor has the living room, kitchen, and a bathroom in that order before reaching the stairs at the end of the home to access the second floor. The main entrance lands in the hall and near a utility room, so if it were me living in the home, that's where I'd be hanging my coat and putting my shoes when I got home. Got to get them out of the hall. The second door on the main floor, oh it rhymes, is beside a picture window that looks out to the back patio and yard. Upstairs, the home shown has a bedroom, walk-in closet, and bathroom. So kind of a different layout than I'm used to seeing. It looks to me like they could have fit a second bedroom up there, but opted to make the entire upstairs more or less a bedroom. Depending on lifestyle, may or may not appeal, but I think it's a setup that would work well for me. If this plan doesn't work for you, they've got a bunch of different variations that will appeal to a much wider audience. Let's have a look. For example, on the first floor, they've got a plan with a second entrance and laundry room. They've got another with a bedroom on the first floor. Then they've got another option yet with everything just mentioned, plus an office. Same goes for the second floor. You can get it with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You can get it with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, or you can get it with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a terrace over the office. Lots of options to choose from with the family model from Hutjet. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Shift has a base price of $994 per square meter, or under $50,000, while the family has a base price of $937 per square meter. The ground floor of the family is listed at 44 square meters, and the second floor is listed at 39 square meters for a total footprint of 83 square meters, or just under 900 square feet, for a total of $77,771. This one's going to be very interesting to follow as they look at expansion into North America. They've got some cool designs. Hutjet Dynamic is a prefab home company located in the Ukraine with a line of modern prefab smart houses that could be available in North America. They've got a line of great looking homes that come with a lifetime guarantee. These homes have a different look than I'm used to seeing, and I think people are going to be excited about it, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.